Hi guys, hello everybody. Have a prettiest morning, have a great time to all of you and welcome to our YouTube channel that is EduMotion Tutorials, the power of education. This is a pure educational YouTube channel and we will provide you the best of the best quality and high-tech education. So please guys, subscribe our channel, like it, share it as much as you can and please comment it because your small step of a response, it will an empowerment of us and it will encourage us to provide you the best educational services. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Telegram as well as Twitter with the same brand name in India, that is EduMotion Tutorials, the power of education. So keep watching and don't forget to press the bell icon. It will provide you the new notifications and we will be glad to provide you the educational services.
That verify that point P minus 2, 2, Q 2, 2 and R 2, 7 are the vertices of right angle triangle. Means given point P, Q, R, we have to verify, we have to show that points is a right angle triangle. That's points of that right angle triangle. Means P, Q, R. मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग लेक्चर में भी बताया, इसके पहले भी बताया how to verify this. First find we get this is your, suppose this is your triangle P, Q, R. Then यहाँ पे 90 हो रहा है, उसके सामने का that PR square equals to QR square plus PR square. Sorry, QR square plus PQ square. Okay, means that जो भी आपका लार्जर साइड रहेगा उसका स्क्वायर that is equals to remaining two side का स्क्वायर का addition. That happens. Then at that time we can say that this triangle PQR is a right angle. अभी आपका PR अगर आता है हाइपोटेनियस, रिमेनिंग पॉइंट Q मींस Q पॉइंट पे आपका 90 डिग्री होगा. देन आपका QR आ रहा है, देन P पॉइंट आपका 90 डिग्री होगा. अभी ये प्रॉब्लम में देखेंगे कैसा है. फर्स्ट वी राइट दिस PR coordinate -2, 2 and Q have coordinate 2. Then we get this is your x1 y1 x2 y2. Then PV equals to PQ equals to under root x2 minus x1 into whole square plus y2 minus y1 into whole square under root x2 2 minus of this minus 2 into whole square plus y2 2 2 minus 2 into whole square. That is equals to under root 2 minus minus plus 2 into whole square. 2 minus 2 0 square. Then under root 2 plus 2 4 square. That's 0 का square. Then under root 60. That is the value of PQ. Then PQ square equals to we write 16. Squaring on both sides, PQ का square, PQ square under root remove हो जाएगा. Then we get 60. Then find Q 2, 2 and R 2, 6. Same thing is here. If you assume that this is your x1 y1 x2 y2, then QR equals to under root x2 minus x1 into whole square plus y2 minus y1 into whole square. QR equals to under root x2 2 minus x1 2 into whole square plus 7 minus 2 into whole square. Then QR equals to under root 2 minus 2 0 7 minus 2 5. Then QR equals to under root 0 का square 0. Then 5 का 25. then QR equals to under root 25. Then squaring करने के बाद QR square equals to 25. स्क्वायर रूट निकल जाएगा आपका, मैंने बताया स्क्वायर लेते समय दे स्क्वायर QR square equals to स्क्वायर रूट निकल गया, then we get 25. Next is that P minus 2 comma 2 and R 2 comma 7. Okay, then this is your x1 y1 x2 y2, then PR equals to under root x2 minus x1 8 whole square plus y2 minus y1 8 whole square, then PR equals to under root x2 2 x2 आपका कितना है 2, this is your minus 2 8 whole square, then 2 this is your minus 2 plus 7 minus 2 8 whole square, then PR equals to under root we write 2 plus 2 8 whole square plus 7 minus 2 5 8 whole square, then we get PR equals to under root 2 4 का square plus 5 का square 25, PR equals to we write under root 16 plus 25, then PR equals to we write 6 31 41, then what is the value of PR square 41, PR का वैल्यू कितना है PR square 41, means if you observe that यहाँ पे larger number आपका 41 है, then remaining 2 if you add this 25 plus 16 means that is your 41, means we can write this 16 plus 25 that is equals to 41. 16 means what? PQ square plus QR square that is equals to PR square, means that therefore this triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Okay, अभी आपका hypotenuse कौन सा है? If you assume that this is your hypotenuse PR, means of course it is a Q point, means this which is right angle at point Q, कौन से point पे Q, means triangle PQR is a right angle at point Q, this PQR is a right angle triangle. Simple problem था, first P coordinate is given, Q coordinate is given, R coordinate is given, then find PQ, then find PQ square, then find QR, then find QR square, then find PR, then PR square, then we observe that PR square equals to PQ square plus QR square. Next is that next problem, that so that P point 2 comma minus 2, Q point 7 comma 3, R point 11 comma minus 1 and S point 6 comma minus 6. First 2 comma minus 2, then 7 comma 3, then 11 comma minus 1, then 6 comma minus 6 are the vertices of a parallelogram. 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 Okay. Then first P point is given, Q point is given, R point is given. Then what is the condition of this parallelogram? If you observe that parallelogram में अपोजिट साइड जो रहते आपके कॉन्करेंट रहते मींस इफ यू ड्रॉ दिस इज योर पैरेललोग्राम कॉन्करेंट रहते P Q R S then find 2 comma minus 2 7 comma 3 11 comma minus 1 and last is 6 comma minus 6. Okay, means first find PQ, then find QR, then find RS, then find SP. If PQ equals to RS and QR equals to SP, then we can say that the given figure is your parallelogram. First find P 2 comma minus 2 and Q 7 comma 3. Then first according to distance formula x1 y1 x2 y2 PQ equals to under root x2 minus x1 it whole square plus y2 minus y1 it square under root x2 3 minus of minus 2 it whole under root 7 minus 2 3 minus of minus 2 7 minus 2 5 plus we get 3 minus plus 2 it whole square then under root 5 का square 25 5 का square 25 under root 50 suppose this is equation number 5 p का वैल्यू कितना आ गया आपको under root 50 then find qr q our coordinate 7,3 and r have coordinate 11, minus okay same thing is here according to distance formula find this means we can write x1 y1 x2 y2 then qr equals to under root x2 minus x1 into whole square y2 minus y1 into whole square qr equals to under root x2 11 minus x1 7 plus y2 minus 1 then minus 3 into whole square then qr equals to under root 11 minus 7 we get 4 का plus minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 का then we get qr equals to under root 16 plus 16 means we get under root 32. This is your equation number 2. Then we get PQ, QR, then find RS. R 11 comma minus 1 and yes 6 comma minus 6. Next is that if you have to give one, this is your x1 y1 x2 y2 then find RS equals to under root x2 minus x1 into whole square plus y2 minus y1 into whole square RS equals to under root x2 6 x1 minus 11 into square plus y2 minus 6 अभी मैं डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ इस माइनस प्लस क्या किया मैंने माइनस देन माइनस प्लस तो होल स्क्वायर यार एक स्टेप यहाँ पे मैं minus 6 this is your minus 1 into whole square then RS equals to we write 6 minus 11 minus 5 into whole square then we get minus 6 plus 1 into whole square. RS equals to under root minus 5 का square 25 under root 50. This is is your equation number 3rd. And last is that find SP. Then S coordinate 6, minus 6 and P coordinate 2, minus 2. Okay. Then write this is your x1, y1, x2, y2. Then SP equals to under root x2 minus x1 its square plus y2 minus y1 its square under root x2 2 minus 6 into whole square plus this is your minus 2 minus of 6 into whole square under root 2 minus 6 we get 4 minus 4 into square plus minus 2 then minus minus plus 6 into whole square under root minus 4 का square 16 then 6 minus 2 16 कैसे आएगा 6 minus 2 4 4 का square 16 16 16 under root 32 this is your equation number 4. एक बात और मैं यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. First we have to show this is your parallelogram. Parallelogram के opposite sides are 100. Okay, then P, Q, R, S. First find PQ according to distance formula. X1, X2, X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Then according to distance formula, X1, 2, Y1 minus 2, X2, 7, Y2, 3. 7 minus 2. Then 3 minus minus plus 2. 5 square, 25, 25 under root 50. Okay, next is that then find QR. Q has coordinate x1, y1, x2, y2. Then we get under root 32. Next RS x1, y1, x2, y2. Formula use करके RS under root 50. And last is that SP. Same thing is here. If you observe that equation number 1 and equation number 3. दोनों भी under root 59. Then we can say that from 1 and 3 we write PQ equals to RS. Then we write segment PQ is concurrent to segment RS. Next is that from second and fourth we can write segment QR is concurrent to this QR equals to SP means segment QR is concurrent to segment SP. Then that if its opposite sides are concurrent, therefore we can write this PQRS is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram. ये आपका क्वेश्चन. ओके.